How to reset preferences in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer. Once the software launches, go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open the Preferences window where you can manage different settings of the program. Then go to the General section and scroll to the bottom of the window. Here you will see the option Reset. Click on it if you want to restore all preferences back to the original default settings. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to reset your preferences. Click OK to confirm. AudioDirector will then reset all the settings you have changed, such as language, file settings, editing preferences, and other customizations back to the default state. After that, you may need to restart the program for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, AudioDirector will open with the original factory settings applied. This feature is especially useful if you are facing issues, made too many changes, or simply want to start fresh with clean settings. Now you know how to reset preferences in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.